You will go away. It's a brand new day today, feel me? Brand new week, Monday. Finna hit the gym real quick like always you give me. So yeah, man. Hopefully this week comes with a good week, you feel me? The market being acting up last week, but this week hopefully can just come back to normal, you get me? But yeah, man, I'm just trying to get to it. Right now it's past 5, you feel me? Like I always say, man, if you win the morning, you get to conquer the day. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's get it, man. We back at it again, you feel me? It's your boy, man, SOG, student of the game, you feel me? And welcome to my game. So yeah, right now it's Monday today, you get me? We're on 4-hour time frame goal. As you can see, the time is 11:01 a.m. you get me? So what I'm seeing here, if you watch the previous weekly forecast, you understand why I put this thing here. Basically it's the daily fair value gaps, you feel me? This fair value gap here and this fair value gap here, you get me? So as you can see, price came and rejected inside this fair value gap. Right now it's looking like it's rejecting inside this fair value gap, you get me? So let's go to the 4-hour and show you something real quick. So on the 4-hour here, I anticipated the market to break this lows here, which it did, before it can go above. If it wants to go you feel me? If it wants to go up, you get me? It has to break this low first. So it did that. Let me remove this. And I anticipated for it, if it doesn't hold here, it has to come below here, retouch here for it to go below, you get me? I'll just remove this one and this one, you get me? So what it did, let me do this. Looks okay. So what it did, it break this lows here, you get me? Took out liquidity here. Just do this, you get me? And it also did a market structure shift because it broke this high here. It's creating a market structure shift, you hear me? MSS, you hear me? Market structure shift, and it left a fair value gap here. But this one is gonna be tricky, but we just go on the lower time frame and I'll explain why I'm saying that it's gonna be tricky. As you can see, the market is there's a higher fair value gap here, so the market might not reject on this fair value gap and reject on this higher one. So I'll just go on the lower time frame to see if there's a confirmation for me to go up, you get me? Maybe I can buy from right here. Where is it right now, you get me? But let me just mark this fair value gap here. Okay, we get a 4-hour fair value gap here. Let me just label it real quick. Get me? So yeah, now let's go to the lower time frame and see. We start on the 1 hour and see what we are seeing here. Already this is my setup. Usually this is what I take, you feel me? I just wait for run of liquidity, market structure shift here, come back, retest the fair value gap, buy in 1:3, then I'm done for the day, you get me? So right now let's go to the 1 hour and see what we can see on the 1 hour real quick. Okay, as you can see, we're seeing a lot of rejection here. As you can on this candle, it touched the the high time frame, you feel me? The high time frame fair value gap, which is the daily fair value gap, and it rejected here, you get me? We have this this order block, you get me? I'll just say order block, but I think it's a proportion block on a high time frame, you get me? This is a rejection of this, you get me? So if this candle closes with the bullish candle, I think I'm gonna enter here, you get me? Stop loss, I might put it below this fair value gap just for insurance, because price might try to aim again here. It depends, I'll just see, you get me? But yeah, here on the 1 hour I'm not seeing much, you get me? Just the same structure and as you see on the 4-hour time frame. The higher the time frame, the stronger the setup or the, you get me, the PDA. So right now I'm just gonna mark where the market opened Monday. As you can see, midnight open here, I have to put it to midnight, which is here, you get me. Then I put also where it open here midnight as well, like the horizontal one, you get me, which is here. So the market opened here midnight and opened here. So I'm gonna change this to, and then I'm gonna black again, mark this as midnight open, and open. As you can see, midnight open right here, you get me. So basically that's it for now. I'll just update you if anything happens. If price might come back here and retest here before you can go up, we will go with it, or we're just gonna wait for rejection here, proper rejection. I'm not gonna rush anything here. I'm gonna wait for a proper rejection. It has to make sense, you get me. So yeah, I'll just update you once I enter during the day, you get me. Check the 15 real quick. Okay, the 15 rejected on this fair value gap here, came back, broke this loose here. Nice rejection. My rejects again, you don't know if I'm just gonna wait on it. But yeah, man, I'll just update you during the day. We're back again, you feel me? And now we're on gold for our time frame. The time is 7:05 p.m. you get me. As you can see by our setup, the trade didn't respect this fair value gap here, you feel me? It traded past the fair value gap here. Right now it's looking like it's going below, you get me? So let's go to the 1 hour. So I didn't take any trade for today, you get me? It didn't respect my setup, so I don't force anything while it does that, you get me? So yeah, man, we don't have to force anything, you get me? But right now we're on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, price traded here. This, I was expecting this to be a rejection, whereby this candle closes with a bullish candle before I can consider entering. So it didn't do that. As you can see, it's a bearish candle. It didn't give me any bullish candle here, so there's no trade, you get me? Right now we traded below this fair value gap, this 4 hour fair value gap, you get me? So for today it means there's no trade. So basically what Monday did, it broke this, took out this liquidity here, came back below, you get me? We have friendly low here, so you might be aiming for this. Let me just mark this out. We have this Friday low, previous day low, you get me? Just label it real quick. PD low, PDL, you get me? Which is previous day low, and we have previous day high. Let me just find it, you get me? Friday previous day high. Friday previous day high is this one, you get me? So the market took out liquidity on the previous day high. Now it's looking like it's aiming for previous day low. I'm not sure if it's gonna reach it or not, you get me? Then we have where the market opened here. Oh, that one I marked already, which was here, you get me? We have midnight open here and PDH high. The market open here, took out liquidity of the previous day high. Now it's inside the trend from, you feel me? So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna aim for this low or just gonna consolidate here. I don't know what it's gonna do, you get me? But this is the end of the video for me right here. I didn't take any trade for today. Let me check Nasdaq real quick. Again, I didn't take any trade for today. We just want to see what happens tomorrow, you get me? As for Nasdaq, it opened here, went below. Now it's taking the previous day low here. As you can see, it might look to reject to go and aim for the previous day high, because we have liquidity here, you feel me? So Nasdaq for me this week, I think, is gonna be just a buy, you feel me? It's been buying, so I don't see why it should stop now, you get me? So yeah, man, that's the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in, and yeah, appreciate your time, bro.